Hi guys, this is Tomatoes Bushka. I want to show you this Victorinox RANGERGRIP 179. As you can see, the pouch is not for the Ranger grip, but it's for the Hunter Pro, and it's quite good for this Ranger grip as well. This is the knife. As you can see, the difference between the other Ranger grips is that this has this old Wenger style green and black scales. You can also say that actually this Ranger grip is the successor of the old Wenger knives. And remember that this model, this 179, it's no longer in production. Victorinox, not officially but unofficially, you can read on some forums this year in 2023 that they will cancel the production of this Ranger grip. So if you have the possibility, you should buy one. It has this corkscrew and the large saw. It's my favorite in the Ranger grip series. I think that Delemont factory really made a good work on this knife. If you are a soldier, an outdoorsman, a fisherman or a hunter, I highly recommend you this knife. Do not get me wrong, I know very well that serrated blades, they are not the best for outdoors, but these serrations, these are excellent cutter. Let's see a quick demonstration. This tree is dead. Cuts excellently. You can easily operate it with large size gloves. This is very thick Chinese winter gloves. Cuts excellently, bites deep in the wood, as you can see. I think that the Delemont factory really was an innovative factory back then, because this mechanism is no longer in production. You can of course buy the other Ranger grips, but this one is an excellent innovative knife made in the Delemont factory. Thank you, Delemont factory. Thank you, Switzerland, for making this knife. The creek is back again, as you can see. In the summer it was completely dry, but now, thanks to the winter, we have water again. Animals can come here and drink. It's very important.